Jessica is flying Oddity XI25Pro, and we're gonna fly it on this little dude with this little dude because it's Express LRS.
Yeah.
And this one is on crossfire. Okay.
First time flying over here. No fuel.
Okay.
I hear some people over there. They're gonna. No.
It's fine. It's fine. This is the field where we're gonna fly. Okay, you're gonna fly with GNV 850 milliamperes 6S. Okay. Okay. Do you have a switch? Yeah. Or was it here? Yeah, pre-arm and then arm. Good. Okay, wait. Okay, now you can go around us here. I'm recording you. I can record directly in the sun. Yeah. I can't even see you. It's so bright. Yeah, go.